So I'm just gonna try to pull this out a little bit and this area a little bit, because this is fixed on the car now, and then we're gonna go deal with the door, the passenger door. And also there are a couple more dents that I didn't notice before. So one here and one here. Or no, that's not a dent. So one here, and we will see if there's more. We will pull them out. Now, now's the time. So this is the area. So I'm gonna put just one here and one here. Okay, I think that's it. The rest is gonna be body filler. Perfect. Okay, so now I think we should weld this spot which I found yesterday, and if there's time we're gonna move to the door. So there's a crack here which you can barely see, and there's a crack here. So this we'll have to weld. Alright, a little bit of body filler is gonna be perfect. Keep saying that, huh? But the time for the body work comes. Okay, so let's deal with this. So like I said, I slept on it and I couldn't figure out anything better than just making a slice like this, as close as possible to the end, and try to push this in. But to push it in, actually I have to go higher. To push it in, this material needs to go somewhere from the curve, because by pushing it in I need to shrink it. Of course I'm not able to shrink it here, so I'm thinking maybe by pushing it in, it needs to come up a little bit here, and then it's gonna straighten here and it's gonna come up here. So I need to go all the way to here with this cut. It actually needs to go a little bit higher here. I don't know. We will see. We will see if that's gonna work. If not, I don't see any other way. But that's how it happened actually, right? When I was replacing this piece, my shape of this piece wasn't the perfect shape and it pushed it in the wrong direction. So I'm hoping now by cutting it here, I'm gonna be able to bring it back to the original shape. Now, because of this flange that I left here, it's not gonna be very easy to bend it, but I hope. Looks like it moved a little. Let's try to pull here while hammering there. actually, it looks much better. Do you see that, guys? You don't. Okay, it already looks better. So it works after all. Created a dent here, but that's easy to fix. So just a little bit more. Even if it's like that, I'm happy already, but I just want a little bit more. In this area here. Okay, so now I'm really happy with that. I'm very happy. You see how much it closed here? Closed a lot and opened a little bit here. So now I can weld it. There's a dent here pointing up. I don't know why. Can this go down? Oh yeah. So now I can weld it, and the last thing is gonna be the bottom of the door, but maybe two more. We will see. Alright, so welded now. It looks like before, nice and smooth, and it matches the shape perfectly now. So I'm happy. So now it's time for the bottom of the door. I don't know if you can see like that, but there is a bow. There is a bow already, and I was thinking maybe the seal is not straight or something, but no, the seal is perfect. So the door is what got bowed, and you see, if I straighten it, the gap is gonna be perfect. And it's obvious over there, it's obvious that it moved up. But how did this happen? I really can't explain it, because I had the ruler with me all the time and I was checking and checking. Anyway, somehow I missed it. So now I'm gonna take the door out and I'm gonna have to make a straight line from here to here. And I'm gonna add some weld or even maybe rods. Some steel rod there. We'll see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna have to take the door out again. Now the door is off the car. When it's not on the car, this here is not so obvious. That's how I missed it. But when it is on the car, because you have another straight line underneath, you can see how there's a, from here it goes up and then goes down again. So it's not that much. Probably I saw that when I was welding it, but probably I didn't consider it too big of a problem, but actually it is a big problem. But anyways, that's not so much. It's not very big, so I don't think I have to weld any rod there. I'm just gonna add some weld. I'm gonna build up with welding wire. I think I can do that. Alright, for some reason my camera, I just checked it and it was showing error 2. And it was saying that the memory card cannot be accessed, so I just lost maybe 20 minutes of video, so you missed the interesting part. It was so exciting. I welded all this. It was really exciting. So I'm sorry, but you missed it. But now I think we are almost where we want. Maybe just I need to add a little bit more from here to here. Oh, didn't notice that. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more, and hopefully this time you're gonna see the exciting part. Alright, did you see how exciting it was? Okay, now I think everywhere we are below this line. Maybe a little bit in the beginning, huh? Here there's some high spots. Alright, so now we're gonna grind top and bottom, and then we're gonna draw a straight line and we're gonna grind to that. Okay, it's ground inside too. Okay, this gap looks good. I'm not gonna look before I'm not gonna look without you. We're gonna look together. Maybe I should have put light there. Oh. Still needs more. Does it still need more, or that's just my eyes? Let me bring a light, guys. Yeah. Still too deep. Well, we're gonna have to do it one more time. Well, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So I'm gonna do it this time on the car. It's a little bit more uncomfortable, but at least I can see what I'm doing and how much I'm adding, and I'm sure this time it's gonna be the right amount of weld that I add there. That wasn't the most comfortable position for welding, but at least I could see what I was doing. So now I believe I added enough weld everywhere, and it's time for grinding. Alright, so now we are sure that we added enough weld, even more than what we need, but that's how it works. So now we're gonna tape it off and start grinding it to make the gap nice and even. It's really hard to do when I'm so close and so low. Well, I think that's good enough. That's it. I like it. Okay. That's it. That's much better, isn't it? Alright, so finally we are done with this door as well, and this area looks good too. It's nice and even, matches the shape of the fender. So finally I'm happy with this door as well, and the other side is done already, so I hope that this time that's gonna be it for the welding. Well, probably there's gonna be something else for welding, but the main stuff, the big stuff, I would call it done now. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one, in which probably we're gonna start cleaning the inside of the body, the dash and under the dash, and the floor and the boot and everything, and we'll start getting it ready for epoxy primer. Well, we are moving forward.